Hey guys, it's Rufu, and today we're going to be testing 3 different ways to make slime less sticky, non-sticky without activator. So, let's jump right into the video. Okay, first thing is, this slime is pretty sticky. Well, yeah. This is not as sticky as the other ones are, though. But it still is sticky. So this one, you're just supposed to put it in the freezer. We're going to be testing these out. So I'm testing this one first. We're going to go put this in the freezer. And then while we do our other 2, this will sit in the freezer. And at the end of the video, we're going to go get it again and then see if that one worked. So yeah. First one we're going to try is the crunchy slime. I have crunchy slime, normal slime, and then the previous one, which was glitter slime. And for this one, you need perfume. I don't know if this is going to work. I highly doubt it's going to work. So this one's pretty sticky. She said to add quite a bit of perfume, but this is a small batch of slime. Hers was a little bit bigger than mine. So just add it all over it. I don't know. I've never tested these before. I just watched the videos before this video, so it worked for her. I'm hoping it works for me. Oh, it kind of worked. Okay, honestly, it worked. Okay, I don't know if it worked or not, but maybe it worked, maybe it didn't. Comment down below what you think. I think it's less sticky than before. I don't think it's completely non-sticky, but yeah. And the perfume I used was Crystal Water Cherry Blossom scented perfume. Yeah. And she didn't say to make sure anything was in the ingredients or anything, but yeah. I don't know if that one worked or not. Comment down below what you thought. And here's our other one, which is a pretty sticky slime. I don't really like the slime because it's sticky, but it's not a glitter slime, but it has glitter in it. And it's not a butter slime, it's just regular everyday slime. Not everyday, but it's so sticky. Oh! And this, apparently, you're supposed to add shaving cream. I don't know what to expect with this one, because I don't know, but oh no, mess. Maybe I added too much. I think I added too much. It's like when you first make slime. But this batch is a couple weeks old, honestly. And this was fluffy slime, but then I didn't add enough shaving cream. Well, it was supposed to be fluffy slime, and then it didn't turn out like fluffy slime. And shaving cream also doubles the amount of slime you have. Well, tripled, quadruples. Oh my gosh. It worked. That's cool. I think I'm going to add more shaving cream though. I'm going to shake it up though. This looks cool. I was not expecting that to work. That's cool. Well, one worked at least. I don't know if the other one worked, but I guess we're going to find out after this one. I didn't have any activator, that's why I made this video. Okay, this definitely worked. Oh, and it's more stretchy. I really like this now. Okay. And if you don't have shaving cream, she said you could use butter. I don't know. I'm not testing the butter one because I'm out of butter right now. But, yeah. Now, let's go get the one out of the freezer. I almost dropped my phone camera. It's in my phone. But, okay. Well, here it is. And you saw how sticky it was before. So, now, let's test. Ow! Oh, wow, it's cold. It's so cold. Whoa. What the heck? It made it tough, but not too tough. It's still stretchy. That's weird. Okay, that one worked. 2 out of 3 worked. So, I hope you guys liked this video. Comment down below which one was your favorite. And comment down below also if you want me to do more videos like this. Yeah. Testing weird slime, I could do that, or I don't know. But this definitely worked. And the one before definitely worked also. So, yeah. But the first one was kind of a fail. Well, the second one. But, wait. First, second. I don't know. It was the second one. So, oh, wow. Okay. Hope you all like this video. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Have a nice day.